and subscribers. I'm back for my 4th week review and update on using the Miami MD products. And I was using, for the past 4 weeks, I'm using the Miami MD Age Defying Lift and Firm Cream. And I am so happy with the results. I'm not seeing those little frown lines that was aggravating me anymore. And more, I used to have this indentation on each side of my mouth, and it's smoothing out more and more. I don't see that anymore. And I'm also using the intensive eye repair serum, excuse me. And what usually bothered me is the little bags under my eyes, and each and every week I'm seeing a difference. I just woke up not too long ago, so I don't know. I'm thinking that that's just something that I'm going to have to continue to work on. But I'm using this product, and I do notice a difference. My skin, it is smooth to the touch, but it's more firm than it was before. And I'm also using the product on my neck area. And, you know, as you start to grow old, and I just turned 62 this past July, that you start getting the looseness underneath your chin. But I'm noticing that that's starting to decrease. And my overall neck looks a lot better. So, age defying, I'm for it. I know that we all have to grow old, and things do happen as you grow old. Your skin and your face starts to loosen up. But I can say with confidence that using products like these, it can reverse it. So I will be back for week number 5 next week. I'll show you my results, but I am very pleased with this product. And in the next week's video, I'm going to show you a picture of me before I started using the product. And then I'm going to put one beside it so you can see it actually does work. I am just blown away with Miami MD. So until the next video, blessings, y'all.